Quand la musique t'appelle, laisse-toi te bercer par sa quintessence. Écoute-la aveuglément, ton âme t'en sera reconnaissante. Laisse-moi t'aura sous les traces de nos anciens du marchand, sous des sons tortueuses et accidentées. Nous avançons, l'amour de la reconquête de nos valeurs enfouies en nous. Retour vers le passé, nous voulons que nos liens s'ouvrent. Car celui qui marche sans avoir son histoire dans la tête, et comme un faible oiseau surpris par une forte tempête, il n'avance pas et il regresse un grand pas jusqu'à ce que définitivement s'arrête ses pas. Autant que sans ses racines, un arbre n'est rien. Avec la méconnaissance de nous-mêmes, nous ne sommes rien. Donne-nous la force de tes eaux puissantes, la sagesse de tes femmes vivantes, la grandeur de tes majestueuses forêts, le caractère admiratif de tes épopées. Congo, construis-toi près des forces. Prends la main que tu donnes le pied quand tu touches le fond. Tu es un massa, tu es un teke, tu es un zoulou, tu es un peur, tu es un malinqué, tu es un pouvantou, tu es un pouvantou.
Ebola Zambe sese, Ebana Yanga, enyoka monekende nyoka moyo, enyoka moyo nikele mwana dumba, mwana dumba bokele ko waitate, unakongo, waitate, unakongo, waitate, unakongo, waitate, unakongo, unakongo monekende ngoma tatu sisanje pakudungu, pakudungu pelekete pakudungu, pakudungu pelekete pakudungu, pakudungu pelekete pakudungu, pakudungu, pakudungu. Quiere muzila Congo, quiere muzila Congo, muzila Congo bokele nukuibame, nukuibame tukirange bakuzame, bakuzame nyayirange ngola zambe setele bana yanga molekende nyoka moyo itele mwana dumba bokele ko waitate, unakongo, waitate, unakongo, waitate, unakongo, waitate, unakongo, monekende ngoma tatu sitange pakudungu, pakudungu pelekete pakudungu, pakudungu pelekete pakudungu, pakudungu pelekete pakudungu, pakudungu, quiere muzila Congo, quiere muzila Congo bokele nukuibame tukirange bakuzame nyayirange ngola zambe setele bana yanga molekende nyoka moyo itele mwana dumba bokele ko waitate, unakongo, waitate, unakongo, waitate, unakongo, waitate, unakongo, unakongo monekende ngoma tatu sisanje pakudungu, pakudungu pelekete pakudungu, pakudungu pelekete pakudungu, pakudungu pelekete pakudungu, pakudungu, pakudungu. Quiere muzila Congo, quiere muzila Congo, muzila Congo bokele nukuibame, tukirange bakuzame, nyayirange ngola zambe setele bana yanga monekende nyoka moyo itele mwana dumba bokele ko waitate, unakongo,
Yele muzila Congo, oh no, yele muzila Congo, mono yeki kwenda kwa muna Congo, mbuilo pembongele muzila Congo, mbanguza mendungili muzila Congo, dola zambe zizele muna Congo, nyoka moyo monekende muna Congo, oh mwana numba bokele muna Congo, oh mwana numba bokele muna Congo, oh waitate.
Tokolonga Mwana mère Rogatien Milor, Garo Marca, Mama. C'est vrai, très souvent dans la vie nous vivons des situations difficiles et même compliquées. Toujours à la ligne d'attaque, en train de forger l'espoir perdu, sans ignorer les valeurs en nous, motivés et déterminés. Nous y arriverons certainement, tant qu'il y a l'espoir, un jour de la lumière apparaîtra. Hakuna Matata. Unissons-nous malgré nos divergences et ensemble we are one, you and I, let's stick together. Lego Kolanda tenzela ya mabe malembe malembe tokukoma mokili tondi magambo ebele ya sala na kimya eloko nyonso koma kanangonga nango.
Kiambote tatana.
Kiambote tatampanzo.
Tunama vimpi, eh?
Tunama vimpi. Yeah, no, eh?
Yeah, tunama vimpi. Thank you very much for your time, tatana. Let us greet the audience. Hello. If you are watching, this is Kikongo class. Kikongo is the language of Congo Kingdom, spoken in Angola, Gabon, Congo Kinshasa, Congo Brazzaville. Yes, thank you. Tatale. Kuba Mene? My first question.
Kuba
Mene, yeah. Kuba Mene, yes.
Kuba Mene.
Well done. I think I did send you two files. Did you see them? Yes?
Yeah, the adjectives.
Yes. Where should we start? Okay, let's let me just share my file. Yes. This is yes. Let me just can you see my screen? Let me
I can see the top part of it, demonstrative adjective.
Better like this, that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna try to remove my. Yeah, going back to this later. Yes. Kikongo is, of course, it is Bantu language. These are, yes, demonstrative adjectives, yes. In Kikongo, each class of words, let's put this way, has their own adjectives. Yes?
Yes.
They put in French. When you say ceci, this one applies to everything, but not in Kikongo. I mean, let me just go. Let me just focus on this one. Kikutu, yeah, shirt. Kikutu, this shirt, yes.
Yes.
Yunga kiaki, this one. Mpuya ici. All of these, I mean, in English, you could translate into all of these. Kiaki, yai, this means this. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, no, I see.
No, let's put it in French, maybe in French. Ceci, hein? Ceci. You have ceci for everything, yeah? Ceci, human, whatever the word, the class of names, yes? But here, all these words in English, you say this. But here in the Kikongo, no. Kikongo for Kinkutu, you say kiaki. Yunga say kiaki. Mpu, you say yai. Sapato Cesazi. Yes? Yes?
No, I see, but I'm trying to. Okay.
No, I did send you 2 files. The second one is just let me see if I can give one if I can share it now. Yeah, this one is, let me just share. Yes. Give it to me. I need to share it. Because it is very, very hard to find the pattern. Very, very hard. But I managed to do something to make it easier. Yeah, Tatan, can you see the words? Yes. Can you see Diambu? Yes.
Yeah, no, I can see it. It's just it's kind of small, but I can see it.
Small. 1 minute. Let me see if I can. Better. Better, yeah.
Yeah, much better.
Bigger,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Diambu, yeah. Diambu, Diadi. See the pattern, at least for these words, yeah. Just for this one. Disa, I mean DD, yeah. Digo, D, yeah.
Yep.
Ki, kya, yeah. Ki. Kimbundi, kya, ki. Kinkutu, kya, ki. Kunda, kya, ki. Longo, L. Longo, Lualu, yeah.
Yes.
Luku, L, Lualu. Maza, ma, mama, madezo, mama, madia, mama, tusansu, this is plural, tusansu, tuatu. Lusansu, you could say history, no? History, yeah, Lusansu, tusansu, plural, stories, okay, tales.
Yeah.
Just focus on this one. Don't worry about the others. We just need to focus on this one. When you say Diambu, you expect Diadi, Disa is Diadi, Diaki, Diadi, Kima, Kiaki, Kimbundi, Kiaki. By the way, Diambu means affair. Be careful, it's not affair in modern way, modern era. Affair, go back to all dictionary, yes?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Assuntos. In Portuguese. Assuntos. Business matter, issue, etc. Disa, corn, diaki, egg, plural is maki. I mean, Lingala borrows everything, from Kikongo.
Yeah, okay.
Diaki, egg, maki, plural. Kima,
Things.
item, object. Kimbundi. Kimbundi is African fabric, yeah? I mean, Kimbundi for mama ladies, Congolese, but Congolese. Yes?
Yes.
Kimbundi. Kinkutu is your shirt. Kunda, shirt. Longo. Longo can be both, yeah? Wedding or this one. Marital life, yeah? Luku, funge in Portuguese, yeah? I'm sure you know. Luku, Maza, of course, water. Madezo, beans. Madia, food, yeah? Tusansu. Okay, so on. Yeah, let me just minimize this one. Okay, going back to this one. Let me just, you can see it. Let me just show it again. Question totally.
No, not yet.
This is proper Kikongo. I mean, this is very specific to us. I mean, this is a way of thinking. This is from our forefathers. Yes. Okay. Ekinkutukia ki ozolanga kyo. Kyo. Let me just try to jump to. Give 1 minute. We're coming back to this now. Kyo, where is it? I can't find it here. Never mind. Okay, let me just go back. If Tata you can read, I think it's going to help us from this one. Please, Tata.
The demonstrative adjective this, these, in this section are identical with the pronouns from the previous section. Here they follow the noun and are compounded with it. So, like the possessive, they have H on their penultimate syllable after nouns with moving H on first stem syllable, otherwise none. Class 5 is the singular of class 6, though many class 6 nouns are uncountable or mass nouns like water and oil and have singulars. Class 11 and 13 form a singular plural pair. The noun prefix, subject prefix, possessive prefix, and object concords are shown below.
Yeah, thank you. Don't memorize. This is French. Okay, this is it. I mean, we just need to speak Ikon. You don't need to put aside. You can put aside the linguistic bit. Yeah, totally. You don't need. We need to be pragmatic here. We just need to speak a language. Okay, here. Focus on this totally. Demonstrative, yeah? Yes?
Okay.
Yeah.
DID.
DID. Because the question, this is Concord. So DID goes with Dio. Concord, yeah? They agree, yes? Totally. This is AD, presentative, adjective presentative. Dio. Keep in mind Dio, yeah? Dio. When we go back, Dio is your object concord, yeah? Dio, DID, Dio. If we go back, this is class 5, yeah? Class 5, DDD. Class 11, Luku Lualu. Demonstrative. I'm showing you Luku. I'm showing you Luku. This is it, yes. Can you see this? This is Luku. Luku Lualu. Uzolanga lo. Tu sensu toi tu. Uzolanga to. Let me just go back. See. You will understand this totally. Let's go back from. Let us go back to the beginning. Okay. We're talking about object concord, yes? Lukulualu. This is your demonstrative totally. Object concord, yeah? This is the class 11, I think. Yeah, class 11. Then the D, where's the D? We don't have D. Okay. Diaki DID. Diaki DID. Uzolanga Dio. Are you following me, Tata?
I'm trying to.
Okay, let me just try to simplify. Lukulwa lu uzolanga lo. This is a language. Okay, let me try to highlight. This is your. Okay. Luku, don't worry about. This is a prefix from the great man. This is Kikongo from Kisi Kongo, from Banza Kongo, yes? Lo, just prefix. Luku is the object. Luku lualu. Then lo. Yes? Luku is L, object L. So concord is lo. Let me just try to jump quickly. Class 11, yes. Class 11. Luku L. Luku Lualu. We did say Luku Lualu. Concord is low. Total, yes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Diaki D. Class 5. Diaki Dia D. Concord Dio. Uzonanga Dio. Can you see the pattern?
Yeah.
LL D. Of course, Concord. Toussaint T. Toussaint Toi tout. Demonstrative. This is Toussaint Concord. They go. Goes with this one. Try to goes with to. Don't memorize anything that time. Don't worry. You understand so far?
Yeah. Yeah.
We just need to focus on the bottom bit. The other one, don't worry. Just we need to speak our language. Yes. Okay. We're going back to this one. Don't worry. We're just going to touch a bit on this one. Let's say, Ekinkutukiaki ozolanga kyo. This is a question. Question to you, Tata. Your answer is here.
Ingeta. Itomakyo Zolanga.
Zolanga, yes. Yes, oh yes, I like it very much. So, kyo is here, object concord, yeah, kyo, yes. Kyaki, adjective, Tata. Object concord, from here we have it twice. Same thing here. Olukulwa lozolanga lo, ingeta itoma lozolanga. Yeah, Tata, yes.
Mm-hmm.
That's why, hence, I did, to make it easy. Okay, anyway, you need to try to practice. It's going to help you to tell. I'm just try to display here. It's very hard. It's not easy. Very hard. I mean, Tata Makonde Gawa, spot on. He was very, very smart guy. I'm telling you, I mean it. Very, very smart guy. So far, I mean, if someone can prove, for me, he's the best in terms of teaching. Yeah, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
In terms of teaching in Congo, this is me. If you know better, okay. Diambu Diadi, remember Diadi, object concord will be Dio. If I ask a question, Diambu Diadi, Ozolanga Dio, Ingeta Itoma.
Itoma Dio.
Dio concord. So from here, Diambu, I'm going for Diambu Diadi, Ozolanga Dio, that's the concord. Your answer,
Ingeta.
We carry Dio as well, yeah. Ingeta Itoma Dio Zolanga. Yeah, Toma Dio Zolanga. Be careful. Kima Kiaki, be careful. Kima Kiaki Ozolanga Kyo. So object concord is Kyo. Your answer Ingeta
Itoma
Kyozolanga.
Kyozolanga.
Yes. Elongolwalu. Ozolanga lo. Ingeta Itoma
lo
Zolanga. Yes. Emaza mama uzolanga mo. Ingeta Itoma mozolanga. Tusansu twatu uzolanga to. Ingeta. Ingeta.
Itoma to Zolanga.
Well done. Yes. Okay. Let me just. Someone's writing. Let me see. Mano Eduardo. Hey, Mano Eduardo, Gambote. Mano Eduardo. Where were we? Okay. Then quickly, I'm going to share another file, which is we be there, March. Speaking Portuguese, maybe I try to display my. Where is it? This one. Question, Tatane. See, Kikonga is good language, Tatane. Kikongo is Kikongo, of course. Kikongo is Kikongo. Next one is tell me Tatane kwenda. Present perfect tense Tatane. I'm gone. I wouldn't say going because we're not using continuous.
Oh gosh.
I've gone. Yeah, I've gone.
Well, I gotta read.
Just remember when it comes to present perfect, always remember your nasal indicative. Yeah.
Yeah. Ngele.
Ngele, yes.
Yeah.
I'm gone. Yes. Ngele.
Ngele.
Ngele. Yeah. Let me try to share my phone. Yes. Ngele. I've lost my phone. I think. Yes, I should have it. Ngele. Oh, sorry. Something going wrong here. Can you see my screen? No, I haven't shared it. Give me a minute. What's happened? Oh, 1 minute. I can't move my phone. I don't know why. Yeah, that is. Ngele kwenda, yes?
Yes.
I have come. It Quizer.
Ngizidi.
Yes, well done. Somehow I can't move my screen. I don't know why.
No, I can see it. I can see the. Okay, there we go. You just.
You can see, but I can't move my slides. The next one. Okay. You can see my screen. What's happened to? Still. Never mind. Okay. Okay, never mind. I'll leave you there. So let me see if can you see this page? No.
No, I see Kwenda and Quiza.
Yeah, still same page. Okay. I'll tell you what, let me just try to close everything. Let's go start from the beginning. Yes. Kwenda ngele. Quiza to come, yes. Ngizidi. Kwenda, okay. This time, let's see. Yeah, okay, I got it now. I think we have it now. Yes, you are brave, you know, Tatari. Thank you so much. Kiago, Kiangani, eh? Kiago. You know how to call the saying, eh? Kiago, Tatari.
Yeah. Slow. Is it slow?
No. It's not Malem, but Kiago.
Oh, if not, is it if not?
Not to give fun for keeping up. No, Kiago. Whatever is yours, whatever you own, it's really yours. Let's have translation.
Oh yeah. Okay, got it. Yeah.
Translation is hard. Okay. I'm sure you can see my screen totally.
Yes.
Okay. L, talking about perfect present perfect indicative. Nasal, always nasal. Present perfect indicative. So for L, we have ND. The nasal ND, let's say Leka, Ndele. For M, Mona, Mbwene, MB. N, to carriers, ND as well. Nata, Ndete. For Y, NG, let's say Yala to rule. Ngyadidi. W, same thing. What's the verb? Wa. Wa means. What does it mean? Wa. It is a verb.
To hear or something like that?
Yeah. Correct, yes. Okay. Pay attention, please, Tatane. Okay. If you can read this sentence, please, this paragraph.
Oh, verbs beginning with one of these letters. The nasal should always be N or M. In spoken Kikongo, it does not matter really, as long as we have the nasal.
Yes, I think we did this last time. You did ask the question. So when you are writing B, F, P, and V go with M. Yes?
Yes.
Verbs. Verbs, I mean words. Verbs or any other way. Let's say a verb. What's a verb? Can't think of a verb. Let's say a name, Mbunga. It's Kikongo name, yes? Mbunga. Yeah, MB, Mbunga. Mfumu, MF. Panzu, my name, MP. This is a verb, Vova. Present, Mvovele, M, yes? But it doesn't matter really when you're talking, because as long as you have your nasal, it is the nasal we need. So with D, K, S, T, Z, you use N. When writing, of course. Let's say the verb dila, to cry, nddd, N, kosoka. Kosoka, tatane, kosoka means? Kosoka. You do it now.
Oh, to
sit down, yeah.
To sit down, yeah. Man, yeah.
Sosa, to search, or sola, to choose.
To choose, okay. Sola to choose.
Ntsolele, NS. Tonda,
Thank.
Tondele, first person. Zola, first person, indicative.
Nzolele.
Yes. Okay, these are the verb. We're going back the next time. Going back to, because we need to talk. These are the verb L, beginning with L. All the nasal are ND, yes. ND. Verb beginning with letter M. MB, the nasal. Mona, Mbwene, yes. Verbs beginning with letter N, ND, Nata, Ndete. Have carried. Ningama, Ningamene, and Nwana, to fight. So on. Okay, Yala, to rule, Ngadidi. Yinga is this, to say shoe. Yes. Yambula, to give up, to stop doing something. Yambula, yes. Have left, not physically. Yindula, to think. Yeah. Yinga, okay, what else? Yaluka, to move from one place to another. Yes, the verb. Okay, last one, W. Wawana, to meet, yeah. Ngwawane, yes. Wizana, to agree. Ngwizane. Wolula, they use this one in Lingala. Wolula, to boo, yeah. In Lingala, they say wolula, you say that. Yolwele, Buta. Okay. Question, otherwise we're going to talk now.
No question.
Right, totally. Yeah, you are brave. Yes. Okay, let me just try to put my. Okay. You have the past, yes, on the screen. Can you read it, Tata? I don't. I'm just testing you. It is the past. For us,
I can't see. Oh, you mean Yamonawo?
yeah. Okay, be careful. Okay. Let me just say something for people who are watching. In Kikongo, we're just using past simple, yes, because we have past progressive, past perfect, past progressive in English, past progressive. What is? Yes, but because the linguists they can't agree, Kikongo. At least, did I tell you that? Did I tell you the last time, Tatale? I think I did say that because one of the good book, modern book we have in grammar, Kikongo grammar. We have past perfect, but some linguists are saying that no. Past perfect in Kikongo is not like in English. You have to have a full sentence to understand if it is past perfect or past perfect progressive. Natalie, are you with me?
Mm-hmm.
Therefore, we are going for past simple. For us, past tense means past simple. Yes. Okay. If you can read it again, Tatane. Remember your pitch, high pitch. Remember?
Yamonao.
Très bien. French, très bien. Well done. Yes. Yamonao. We use the verb mona. Okay. Present perfect. Buenewo.
Buenewo.
Buenewo. Yes. Future.
Isinga Monao.
Well done. Singamono. Yes. This is the pattern. I mean, this is the good example. Yeah. Questions, Tatane?
No question.
Yes. Okay. Let us talk then. Kubamene.
Kubamene.
Nkubamene. Make sure you hit the nose of.
Nkubamene.
Yeah,
Nkubamene.
Kubamene. Yes.
Nkubamene.
Kubamene. Kubamene. If I say same question, if I say Wakuba Mauna, there's no change. You just change your the verb, the color. Wakuba Mauna. Just repeat my sentence.
Oh.
Change the last bit. Wakubama, yes, Wakubama. Wakubama, yes, good.
Wakubama.
Wakubama Ngina. Remember, my question was Wakubama Una.
Yeah, Wakubama Ngina.
Ngina, yes. But in this case, Ngina, remember, because our verb action is Kubama. In this case, Kala, it is just was zero. Is that yes? Remember? Kubama Ngina. You could say Mukwenda Ngina. Mukwenda Una. Mukwenda Ngina. Mukwenda Ngina. In this case, is your continuous. Yes?
Okay. Say that again. You said
yes, I didn't want to touch on that last time, but let us talk. Let me try to explain.
You said Mukwenda Ngina, right?
If you say Mukwenda, let me just write down. Kwenda is a verb, yeah? Kwenda is a verb. I don't know. Mukwenda Ngina. Mukwenda Ngina, yes?
Okay.
We have two verbs, but you shouldn't have two verbs. We have the Ngina from Kala is your auxiliary. Are you clear?
Yes.
So Mukwenda Ngina. This is another version. This is something saying continuous. Kwenda ita kwenda.
Yeah, okay.
Kwenda Ngina. Kwenda Una. We are going to using this format. Mukwenda.
I'm sorry. I didn't.
You're using same format as we are going. Mukwenda.
We to.
Mukwenda, just the same sentence, just you change the last one.
Okay.
Last bit. We are going. Mukwenda.
Mukwenda, is that tuna?
Tuna, yes. Mukwenda tuna, yes. Mukwenda tuna. Mukwenda ngina, mukwenda tuna. Mukwenda una. Mukwenda ngina. Can you try the negative telling? My question will be Mukwenda una, eh? Now you have to introduce your standard continuous. Sorry, kitakwendako. Yes, kitakwendako. Negative.
Okay, kitakwendako.
Yes. Kita. Now remember. Now we're going back to the standard continuous. Kitakwendako. Kwenda una. Positive kwenda ngina, negative kitakwendako. Confusing, isn't it?
A little bit.
Yeah,
No, I mean I got it. I got it. It's just
ita too easy. Ita kuzandu itakwenda.
Yeah, kuzandu. Yeah.
Kuzandu itakwenda. This is your continuous standard one. Ngele kuzandu, your present, how do you call it? Present perfect indicative, yeah. Ngele, yes. Mukungwa una. Tell it.
What is it? Uku.
Mukungwa una. We're going back to what did it last time. Mukungwa una.
Okay, mukungwa
una. Hey, what's happening? Maybe I'll try to delete this one.
Wow, I am.
Totally. Mukungwa una. Wa. Wa is the. Remember the rule for verbs beginning with W. The rule, my nasal is there. Ngwa is me. Wa. The verb. Totally. Mukungwa una.
Okay, so muku.
Can you try to translate the question for me, please?
Are you?
Can you? Are you? Yes. Are you? Can you hear me?
Yeah. So the verb ngwa. I think. Yeah, I'm not.
No, the ngwa you see. Remember, we just end verbs beginning with W, verb wa, wa, wa. Yeah.
Oh, on the present indicative.
Yes. My question is in present indicative. I'm asking you.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So it'll be muku. So I just take off the nasal, right?
Now you just dropping the nasal.
Okay.
Muku
gua.
No, drop your nasal. No, drop your nasal.
Muku wa.
Yes.
Muku wa. Ngina.
Yeah. Yes. Well done. Mukungwa una. Wangina. Let me try the verbs. Same principle applies. Mukumbisa una. Visa, remember that time? Visa is the verb. Is something bakisa. Bakisa.
Wow.
To understand, yeah, to understand.
Okay.
The verb to understand. Visa, bagisa is the same thing.
Okay.
So, mukumvisa una.
Muku. Mukuisa Ngina?
Ngina, yes. Mukuvisa Ngina, yes.
Okay.
You just drop the nasal. Nasal is the first person, it's me. You just drop the nasal.
Yeah, no, I definitely got that part.
No, I know why you struggling, because it's supposed to be from your end I.
Yeah, so it is okay. So I'm dropping the MW. I'm sorry, the MV.
You dropping the nasal. You referring to me. You Mukuvisa Ngina, yes.
Muku Visa, okay, Muku
Visa Ngina, yeah. But okay. Some question totally. VCD, now you use your nasal. VCD?
VCD?
Yes, VCD, yes. VCD, you, second person, you, I'm talking to you. Then you answer VCD. Confused. This is confused. Mukumvisa una. That is, as long as nasal is for someone else, just remember your answer won't be nasal. Yes?
Yeah. So when you're saying the second person will just be without the nasal.
No nasal, yeah. I'm asking you, mukumvisa una, then you answer. Muku, yes?
Mukumvisa.
Ngina, yes.
Yeah, Ngina.
Remember. Mukumbagisa una.
Mukumbagisa.
Be careful. Nasal, there's no nasal. Mukumbagisa Mukumbagisa una. Nasal is me.
Right. Muku. Okay. This is. I think what's getting me is what I'm hearing, and I'm not catching it correctly with the sounds.
Right. Sorry, can you say that again? What's the question? I missed it.
So I guess my statement is I'm almost like it's almost like I'm hearing it every time with a nasal, even though there's no nasal.
Okay. Let me go back again. Mukumvisa una. That visa is me.
Right. Yeah.
We can't have two nasal. Yes. When we talking.
No, I know that part. I understand. So I heard the nasal that time.
So your answer, dropping the nasal, you drop the nasal.
Mukuvisa Ngina.
Yes, but same question. VCD. Now you lose. Now you use your nasal. VCD. VCD. Yes. Yeah.
VCD.
Bakisi. Mbakisi, yes.
Mbakisi.
Yeah, Mbakisi.
Okay.
This is Kikanya. You're brave. I think we should stop there that time. Next time we're going to carry on. Questions that time.
No, it's good. It's definitely getting tougher.
You are brave, no, You are moving the high level now. You're going up and up. No? Just remember, nasal is one person. I mean, first person. I mukumvisa. Okay, if I say visa, you know the nasal. Your answer won't be nasal again. Totally, yes.
Yes, it'll be.
Mukumvisa una. Go Visangina. VCD. Now you have to grab your nasal. VCD.
VCD.
Yes. Ooh, this is cool. Thank you very much. I think okay. You got your notes. Whenever I have time, try to revise. Yes.
Yes.
Tutondele. Mwenda kambo titatu.
Nusala Kimbo Titata.
Tutondele.
Bimba, Kaimbe Shetemba, Ira, Papi Salomou, Willy Longa, les coordonnateurs, Père Mandela. Tony Massoudi, Ali Bokuma. Eric Wayeno. Dr. Nelson Sorry, Nicolo. Mamalandu. Magua Kumbo. Philippe Kamango. Pemba Masagila. Zozoru Kanu. Mutukuina yaya. Politisa Keita Kulama